today we're not going to do a workout because I just want to get onto our craft. It's super fun. But we will do a workout next video. For our experiment today, we're going to need a poppet and some cold water. It doesn't have to be this much because that'll definitely be more than enough. But I hope it'll work. So the first step, we're gonna pour all the water into all these little holes here, and you don't have to have cold water. So make sure there's not some popped out over here and some back there. Just make sure they're all popped out. This whole thing's gonna be one big ice cube.
I accidentally poured way too much water in, so she's going to syringe some of the water out.
So now that we have all the water in each hole, make sure it's not too full that you can't carry it to the freezer. But now that we have all the water in each hole, we're gonna put it in the freezer and see how it turns out. So now it should be ready. So I'm gonna open the freezer and we're gonna pop them out. They're really tiny. Last one. Now we can make some more. So now I'm gonna try to make colored ice cubes with just food coloring. So I hope that turns out cool. And right here I have some purple. But I won't do all of them purple. I'm gonna do like some of them pink or something. So now we're gonna try some blue. Now we're gonna try pink. If you're also trying this, then don't put too many drops. Whoa, that's red, not pink. It's like orange red. Oh, it's like red. Now we could put some pink in here. I think that'll cool. Now we're gonna try some green. So this this is my last color that I have, but I'm gonna try it. So now I think it's ready and we're gonna put it in the freezer. So here's my ice. It's a big piece. So it was super fun. Hope you had fun. It shouldn't take a very long time because for me it didn't take too long. It didn't take that long for it to just become ice. So hope you had fun and we'll see what our next craft workout or surprises. Bye.